What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Sarada today with her Mangekyou Sharingan. So this is that close-up on the eyes from the manga. So let's get our scale of this. So I'm going to start with like her headband, really. So she has, so to start with, it's like the full length of the page nearly, okay? So we have like this sort of V for her sideburn, like a little bit of hair over here, right over, and then her fringe like comes across this way, right? This will just help us get everything in the right place, and her hair then goes long sort of down off my page that way, right? So then her headband comes along across up here, right? So it'll go like sound effects. So we're so close up on our face now that everything's really big, right? So make sure I'm getting this right now. So it goes, yeah, curves that way. Okay. And then the headband will kind of like just bump off up there. And then we have our metal plate on the inside. And this goes long as well. It goes actually underneath her fringe here. And you might have like a metal stud there and maybe like a bottom sort of line for the metal there. Okay. So down under here there, then we have her eyes, right? So top eyelid line. So let's do that first. So we go just under this, under the hair section, sort of down here. And the other one will be about here, right? Two eyes. So let's just go diagonal, and we're going real big so you can see like all our eyelashes and stuff. So we go diagonal like that, and then it comes right across, right? So it goes real big. Across this way. And then we hook it down like so. And she is crying, right? So let's say, so we can see her tear ducts here, right? And then a line in there. And then these tears, right? So I don't know if it's blood or normal tears because it's Mangekyou Sharingan. So they're just kind of drawn in sort of like these little bumps, right? Just coming across the bottom of her eye. And it kind of like just flows down like that, okay? And you could have little sort of shines drawn in. And there's another one here. So it's just these tears coming down her face. Okay, and then the line in between. Right. So now her eyelashes, we have to draw in and thicken up her eyelid lines. So we've got like an eyelash sticking off here. So it's like a cluster of 3 just here at the front. Right, like that. And then this line gets quite thick, so it comes across, you know, dark across here. And then we have like another set of eyelashes. So and then it just travels down like that. So this is black, you just color it in. Okay, and then we can see like a little few eyelashes like sticking off maybe at the front, like here underneath these tears, right? So just like they come out from like around here. Okay, so now the circle for the eye, if you have something circular like a compass or a stencil, feel free to use it. If not, you can attempt a freehand, right? So big circular eye, we just like sketch it out roughly first, right? And then we'll try and smooth out the edge. Okay, kind of the top a little bit cut off, okay? And then we'll just tidy that up a bit. Like so. And then the pupil on the inside, so another circle just in the middle, or as centered as you can get it. And just color that black. Like so. So then her Mangekyou, right, is these spikes, right? So basically another circle and lightly sort of drawn, right? Another circle going around here. Okay, and then out from here we have this set of triangles. So they go out like so. Next one here. And you just keep sort of going around her eye. Right, and then of course these are all colored black. Okay, and then we could have a bit of an eyelid line sort of here, going across that way. Right, so that's one eye. Her other eye over here, and you're about sort of eye width nearly. It's like, so this distance, right? So say if you measured, and then you go across that much, it'll roughly bring you to where her next eye starts. So like there. So you can nearly fit a full eye in here, like the white part of her eye fits in between. That's sort of proportion between human eyes, right? So then you just curve your line up over again, like so. And then it comes down, and again we meet more of her tears. Again, not sure if they're blood tears. So just like these bumping things. Just put some little lines on them every now and then. Circles like that, just to make them look a bit shiny. There's another one up here. So we got our tear duct, and then this sort of blob, like so. And then the bottom part of her eyelid, just in there. So that's our general shape, and then we gotta add eyelashes to the top. So we got a little spike there, kind of like this. They didn't draw in front eyelashes on this side. That's strange. Right, so I'm gonna add them. So I wonder why they didn't do that. Let's see. So we just add a few like here. And then we go around, up the back, and then down this way, right? And then we just color this black. Okay, kind of like that. And then her eye itself, her iris. So again, if you have a circle to trace around, feel free to do it. Okay, so kind of like that. And then we just try and even it up. Okay, And then we do a circle on the inside, somewhere in the middle. And like so. Black, color black. And then there's another circle with the line for the triangles inside there. So you just go around again. Right, so then we do our triangles around there. Go the whole way around. Like so. So it's kind of like a sun. And then you color those black. Okay, so what else? We can see a bit of an eyelid line here. And her eyebrows, right? So she's frowning pretty heavily, right? So we've got an eyebrow there. And another one here. And these go up underneath her headband, right? Go right across. Up here. Thicker on this end. Skinnier at the back. Up to there. Got some frown lines. Like so. And then her nose, right? So we got like a curved line here for her nose. She has big glasses as well, but we can't really see like the rest of her face. We can just see the big glasses and her nose, right? So we got a nostril there and another one. Say across from that one. So we'll go like here, and then there's like a nose line or something there. And then the side of her face. So this like comes all the way down this way. Down there, and you can't really see the other side of her face here. It's just like hair and stuff. Okay. So this comes down all that way. Can't see her mouth either. So then her glasses, right? So her glasses are tricky enough to draw. So, okay, so say we have this part that comes across her nose. It's the middle, right there, and the top goes this way, right? So you got this kind of winged sort of shape there in the middle, right? And then her glasses, they're kind of square, right? Comes down, starts to go around this way. We'll do this side first. So you're aiming for like, say like the corner underneath the corner of her eye. That's where it starts to curve up. And then this will just like go off my page that way. Okay, and then same sort of thing this side. This one will go off the face, so it'll go up and out here. And then this gets like square there, and then goes behind her headband, off it that way. So the top of the frame of the glasses comes across here, and it kind of bumps twice, right? So it like bumps over this eye, right up close to the headband, down and joins that, and then it bumps across this way as well, and it goes right across this way to there. So that's the shape of glasses. That's not easy, so you got to make it look like a frame with lines and stuff on the inside now, right? So say like, so on the inside here, so it starts to like go down that way, and it goes across the top of our eye. Like that, and then we bring it, so we go down. Around like so, and you could have like an inside sort of part, you know, like to make it look a little bit three-dimensional. Of course, if you draw over her cheek, you just erase those parts or color over them. There's another line here. Right, and then the inside of this, we're just kind of following the shape. Goes up around towards her eyelashes then. There, and then it like comes across the top then. So then I think we can see like the inside of these here somewhere, like a bit that like sticks onto her face like that. Right, and then those tears continue down her face this way. This one disappears behind her glasses, and this one keeps going down and off her cheek, sort of. Like so. Oh, and then we can see like her shoulder here, and her hair, bit of her hair sticking out behind this. Right. I don't think we should see her jaw here. I'm not sure though. So this is like glasses, maybe like a bit of a hair spike. Okay, I think I'll leave it. That's how to draw Sarada's Mangekyou Sharingan. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.